Hey there, welcome back. So today in this video I'll be doing an unboxing and review of JBL headphones. So this JBL headphones I bought from Flipkart in a crazy deal. So this one I have got for around 600. So it was a very cheap buy for me. So I thought of doing unboxing. So let us start the unboxing now. So as you can see, this is a box which I got from Flipkart today. So we'll be doing the unboxing of this. So let me open it now. So this is the over the ears earphone. So and it doesn't have any wireless support. It is just 3.5 mm jack. You can connect your mobile, tablet, or any other 3.5 mm jack supported device. Okay, so here is the item. So as you can see, this is the thing. Let me get the box aside. Okay, so this is the thing. As you can see, JBL headphones, dynamic sound, powerful bass. Okay, so let's see the back side of it. As you can see, the MRP of it is let me show you. Let me just focus and show you. Sorry guys, I'm not able to focus, but the real MRP of this is around 2500 rupees. So this is the thing. Okay, so let us anyway open the box and see. So they have given from here to open, so I have to press it. Yeah, just have to press over here and just grab on it. Yeah, it's correct. Just let me open it now. Okay, come on, come out. Okay, so here is it. JBL headphones. Packing is really good. I like it. It is just some plastic paper, so let's keep aside. So here it is, the JBL headphones, looking good, looking very soft, looking very comfortable. Awesome. Okay, so from here you can see JBL branding. As you can see, this is the right one, and over here also JBL branding with left, and these are the wire. Let us see how much big it is. So the wire quality is looking good, so no compromise with that. So let me open it now and see now. Okay, yeah, it's enough for this headphone. So big wire, enough. I think it'll be around 1 meter. Okay, so let us see the this 3.5 mm jack. It's gold plated, as you can see, so which will be great for us when we listen songs. So let us see the quality of this sponge. The sponge quality is looking good. It's very soft, and we can adjust the strap also. I don't know about how, but yeah, somehow, yeah, from here you can adjust it. As you can see, you can extend it if you have a big head. As you can see, it's flexible. Yeah, it's good. So once you're done, just press it. It will be at its own perfect position. So it is very comfortable, cozy, and it is very flexible also. And the thing of this wire is also very nice. It looks to be durable for a long time, and they have given some this type, so it'll be adjusting to your ears when you wear it. So this is the thing. So I'll be testing out this with my mobile also. So if you want this review to be updated, so please comment in my comment section. So this was the thing. So thank you for watching guys. Bye bye, see you soon.